All set and steady. Let's keep it smooth today, Harbor Sentinel.
Agreed, Scout X. Safety first. Navigator 1, status?
Uh-oh, slight drift. Adjusting, adjusting. Wait, I'm off path. A smarter route. Looks tight but doable. Scout X, can you handle it?
I will try, but these winds are shaky.
Whoa, the lines are shaking hard. Harbor Sentinel, what's your call? Focus. We can't panic. Navigator 1. Okay, here goes. Final approach. Everyone ready?
We're ready. Commit to the move and keep it steady.
Steady, steady. Cargo is locking in now. Did it! We did it. Cargo settled and it's all intact.
Excellent teamwork. That's how we finish strong.